Everyone, today we are going to see the leetcode question 606, construct string from binary tree. So here we are given the root of a binary tree and we have to construct a string consisting of parentheses and integers from a binary tree with the pre-ordered traversal way and return it. Omit all the empty parenthesis pairs that do not affect the one-to-one mapping relationship between the string and the original binary tree. So first it is given to do the pre-order traversal, in which first the root node is traveled, then the left node is processed, then the right node. So let us look at example 1. Here, taking 1 as the root node, it has left child and right child. First we have to traverse the left part. Then taking again 2 as the root node, it has left part as 4. So first we have to take a result string. Then first we have to add the root node 1. Then to its left present the root node or the node 2. So taking 2 inside the result string. Then again taking 2 as the root node, it has left child as 4. So we have to add 4 to the string. Then 2 do not have any right child, so we have to enclose the parenthesis. Then 1 has the right child as 3, then we have to insert 3 in another parenthesis. Then let us take another example. So here is another example. First 1 is the root node, to its left lies the node 2 and to its right lies the node 3. So first we have to insert 1 to the string. This is the result string we have taken. Then taking 2 as the left node, as we are doing the pre-order traversal, first we have to traverse the or process the root node, then left subtree, then right subtree. So in the 2 we have taken, then added to the 2 to the answer, then or to the string. Then it do not have any left part, so we have to add an open and closing parenthesis or an empty parenthesis which do not have any node. If left subtree is not present, then it has right subtree, we have to add 4. Then again 2 would get closed as one left part is over and one right part is inserted with 3. So first we have to check if left part is not present, then we have to insert an open and a closing parenthesis. If right is not present, we have to simply omit. So here is the code of the question. We have taken a string of string result variable in globally, such that it can be incremented each time. And inside the function, if there is first condition, base condition, we have written if there is no root, then we have to return the result. And initially for each call we have to add the result, add the value of the root to the result. It would help to keep the order. And if the root left is present, then we have to add an open parenthesis. Then the value, again we have to make the recursive call for if its left subtree is present, then again the closing parenthesis. Else if root is not present and the right part is present, then we have to just enclose, find an open and a closing parenthesis. And then if root right is present, then we have to insert left part. Then again the right recursive call for the right subtree. Then again the left part, right parenthesis. Then finally we have to return the result. Here first if we take root 1 as the root, then first we have to add value of 1 to the string. Then root left is present, so we have to add the result on open parenthesis to the result. Then again the recursive call is made for root left. Now 2 becomes the root node. Again 2 is passed. Then 2 is added to the string. Let us write here 2 is added to the string. Then root left is present, so we have to insert an open parenthesis. Then again we have to make the recursive call, now making 4 as the root node. So 4 gets added to it. Now this string is returned if there is no root. If after this there is no root, so closing parenthesis. For two recursive call, you have to make two closing parentheses, and then now the function for the compiler returns to the original one as the root node. Then else if root right is present, yes, right is present, root right is present, then before returning we have to check for the else part also. Root right is not present, so this should not get executed. For this also, root right is not present, so this should not get executed. And for one, so after returning to one as the root node, it has left part, so right part will not, so this function will not get executed. And then again root right is present, so first we have to push a open parenthesis to the string, and then for the recursive call made for the root right, now this becomes the root, and the value gets added. Then again after returning, there is no root left to its left and right to its right, so the finally the string is returned, and after it the closing parenthesis gets added to the string, and finally the whole function taking one as the root node returns this result, and we get this whole string as the answer.